make a decision on that. And if it is worth it to them, they'll move forward with that offer. That is how I see it as a benefit to the sellers. Another thing that listing agents can do with the escalation clause situation is counter back that escalation clause and say, you know, I know you had an escalation clause. There's other offers that are very comparable to yours, although yours is one of the ones that the seller is looking at. Would you consider waiving the appraisal, waiving inspections, limiting inspections? What of the terms of your offer or the contract can you amend to make your escalation clause or your offer seem better? And a lot of times I'm able to get my seller what they want with those negotiating tactics. Another thing that I've heard from agents is that escalation clauses are stupid because they're only increasing the offer by $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000, which again baffles me, because if I have a seller that I've prepared for the market and I could get them $5,000 more than what their highest offer is, what seller will not want that?